Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Petlibro automatic cat feeder with the Petkit automatic pet feeder. Now this really depends which you would choose, like if you would go for the like 2 liters or the like 3 liters or 6 liters, and also based off that it's going to change the material, because for example for the Petlibro you have plastic or stainless steel, you have stainless steel here, steel here, but this is like the plastic material for the 6 liters, so this is something that you need to know. And now with the Petkit, when we are going to look at it and what are the main differences between these two, I just want to say that you can really go wrong with either. Like they are both like high quality, and even when you just see it also in reviews. So when we're gonna look here on some specs here, so the material is a plastic for Petkit, and Petlibro is stainless steel, but also it depends which kind of material, which kind of like product you would choose from the Petlibro. The Petkit got 3 liters capacity. For the Petlibro you're gonna have 6 liters. And then feeding schedule you're gonna have up to 10 meals per day, and Petlibro is customizable through the app. Both got app control, 2.5 GHz, battery life up to 15 days with dual power system. Here it's 30 days with the rechargeable battery. Both got bowl material stainless steel, so here you're gonna have like 304, that's probably better. And then you're gonna have special features which are like really similar. Then app features also, and power source is Petlibro, so you can have also the batteries with the USB cable, but they are not included. So this is something that you need to be aware of. And then the last thing is that you're gonna have this thing back here, so that's good for the Petkit, and that's pretty much it. So these are the primary differences regarding the specs that I found out for you. I hope it is going to be a little bit helpful, and then have a great day and goodbye.